My man David, your Fridge 60 is done. Let me tell y'all something. This is one bad to the bone Fridge 60. It's got a little bit of everything. I mean, it's got a fryer up front, off-road package, upgraded wheels, insulated firebox. So let's get into it, guys. Now, it is on our off-road package, all right? He did throw a set of upgraded wheels and tires on it, guys. When you get the off-road package, you might as well go and sign up for the upgraded wheels and tires because it does pay to look good. You know what I'm saying? When you're sitting there admiring your smoker, you don't want some little puny wheels on there, right? You want the big bad boys on there. Trust me. Get the upgraded wheels. Now on the front here, he did add a 6-gallon Cajun fryer, right? So we got a double basket fryer. I mean, come on guys, everything with barbecue just goes better fried, right? You got your fries, hush puppies, do your little fish fry in there, smoke you some wings, throw them in there, crisp them up. It just makes sense. Got the propane tank mounted on the back for that. He did get a 2-inch ball hookup. You got a golf cart or a little lawnmower you want to pull your rig around with. Get that on there, throw it over the ball, tow it around. Now on the front of it, he did upgrade to the stainless steel front shelf. Still got your paper towel utensil holder as well. On the inside, guys, like I said, this is our Fridge 60. So that is 60 inches wide, 24 inches deep. The Fridge model is our cabinet door style smoker. You get 3 sliding trays in here. Now he's got some extras in here, all right? First off, he has got our charcoal pan set up. Now what that is you take your reverse flow plates out of the bottom. You got an ash pan that sets in there first. Then you got a 3/16 charcoal pan that sets in there. Boom, you've turned your smoker into a charcoal grill, all right? On top of that, he's got a couple of our El Camal griddle tops, guys. You can't order all these on the website. We got a small, medium, and then a large size as well. Close this bad boy up. Like I said, Tell True thermometers, one in each door and one in the hot box. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, guys. I'll come over to the hot box. Now on the Fridge 60, you do get a extra large hot box, all right? Open this bad boy up. 5 sliding trays in here, well over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box. Now this does run independent from the smoke chamber. You can smoke in this, use it as a warmer. You can get direct fire in this, so very versatile option there. Very easy to use. Insulated firebox, of course. We've got our fire management cradle in there, and then he also got our TMG torch charcoal chimney, as well as a TMG burger press, and that noise you heard in there was a bacon press. So he's got a little bit of everything on this bad boy. Slide all that back in there. Step around back. He has added a rear folding shelf on this bad boy. So you get a big shelf, folds down, very heavy duty, sit down on it, take a break if you need to, prep off of it, serve off of it. Fold it up when you're done and you're ready to go. So guys, that is my man David's Fridge 60 heading out. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.